Today I'm unboxing the MacBook Pro 14-inch M4 chip, 16GB RAM and 1TB of space. This is going to be coming in the color of silver. Today is the 11th of June 2025. Super excited because this is going to be my first MacBook product. So I bought this here in Turkey. So together we can open this, and if you're ready, let's get started. So it's so new. I'm just going to be opening the flaps from here. Let's see how it goes. There we go from here. Okay, perfect. So once we've done this, I'm just gonna safely put it this way and lift it up. And there we go. We have it over here. Super excited. So this is it. It's coming in this gray covering and case. Let's take it off. As I said, this is a silver color. Damn, this is so good. You see? This is the MacBook Pro silver color. M4 chip. Okay, perfect. So this is what we have first of all coming in over here. Then we have the Thunderbolt charging over here. Then we also gonna have, what do we have over here? We have the guide, and we also have the charging system over here. So this is the box actually. From here you can see over here, this is exactly what comes out of here, and we have the MacBook Pro. I'm super excited. The reason why I went for this is because I'm into video editing, and I received quite a lot of questions, and I did quite a lot of research about which one to go for. I finally got myself a MacBook Pro 14-inch M4 chip, 16GB of RAM and 1TB of space after a thorough research. My research was not between getting a Windows or an Apple. My research was between getting a Pro or an Air. And this is what I learned, and I would like to share with you. After doing a thorough research, because I was actually locked up between the two of either going for a MacBook Pro or going for an Air, because there's a substantial difference in price between the Air and the Pro, which could go up to about $500 US. So you might want to ask yourself, really, do I need to go for the Pro? There are many features of the Pro that is going to be very, very crucial for this type of people and for your type of work. For people like us who actually work all the time, and I'm editing videos on a daily basis, I create videos all the time editing, the MacBook Pro was a suggestion to me by everybody, and all the social media people and everybody you're going to meet, they're going to tell you. Why? Because of the availability of the fan and also the speed at which it works compared to the Air. There we go. Let's open it. My God. This is good. My God. This is so nice. Oh my God. This is beautiful, man. Merhaba. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Look at this. And we have it here. We're just getting started. Amazing. This is the MacBook Pro, and there we go.